Welcome to the Sigma Magic software. In this module, we will analyze gauge linearity and bias. We inspect 5 parts with reference values from 2 to 10. Each part was inspected multiple times and the values are shown in the table. We would like to determine if our bias is significant and if there are any linearity issues for this gauge. Before we use this data, we need to sanitize it. Since there are different number of inspections for each part and our analysis requires that there be the same number of repeats for each part, let's only consider 5 inspections for each part. We reformat the data as shown in Table 2. Add the gauge linearity and bias template to our workbook by clicking on Stats and then MSA, Linearity and Bias. Click on Update Inputs to specify that we have 5 parts and there are 5 repeats. If we had historical standard deviation, we could enter, but let's accept the default value. Copy and paste the measurement data onto the worksheet. Click on the Compute Outputs to generate the analysis results. The text output from the analysis can be found in the Notes section. From this section, we can see that the R-squared value is around 60%, the average bias is around 0.16, and gauge linearity is around 4%. The regression model shows that the linearity is significant. Hence, we have a linearity issue for this gauge. The graphs section shows the hypothesis p-value, which is significant, and the fitted line plot which shows that the bias increases with increasing reference value. The conclusion shows that the MSA is not acceptable. That's all there is to perform a gauge linearity and bias study using Sigma Magic software. Check out the other modules in this series to learn more about the different capabilities of the Sigma Magic software. Thank you for watching.